Hello everyone, today we will read the chapter that is King Bruce and the Spider. So this story is about King Bruce and the spider. Before we start the chapter, let us read out. Here is an incomplete spider's web. So this web is incomplete. So help the spider complete it. And what we have to do, we have to help the spider to complete this web. The first web has been drawn for you. Now let us draw the lines to complete this web, okay, to help the spider. Now this web has been completed, okay. So let us start the chapter. So read out. Once upon a time there was a brave and wise king named Robert Bruce. So once upon a time there was a king named Robert Bruce. He was very brave and wise. Brave, that means a person who always ready to face danger, and wise, that is clever, okay. He was the king of Scotland. One day, the King of England led a large army into Scotland. I must fight with King Bruce and drive him out of Scotland, he said. One day, King of England led a large army into Scotland and said, I will fight with Robert Bruce and drive him out of Scotland. Then what happened? Let us read out. So here it is. King Bruce had a small army. As we know, King Bruce was very wise and brave, but he had a very small army. Okay, so he fought the war bravely with the King of England, but because of small army, he fought the war bravely with King of England. Now he fought 6 times and lost all 6 times. King Bruce fought with King of England 6 times and he lost all the 6 times. Then he could do nothing more than run and hide. So he don't have any option. He ran and hide. He just run and hide. He hid himself in a cave in the forest. So he used to run and hide himself in a cave in the forest. Okay. So what happened? One rainy day, King Bruce lay on pile of straw. Pile of straw means a bed of straw. It means stems of grain plant that had been cut and dried. Okay, with the help of straws, he make a bed and he was laying on the bed in the cave. He felt very tired and sick. Okay, he thought, I do not want to try again, because he lost all the 6 times. So he said, I am not going to try it again. Okay. As he lay thinking, he saw a spider spinning her web in the cave. As he was laying on the bed, he saw a spider is spinning a web, okay, in the cave. Then he watched her as she worked hard with great care, and he was working hard with great care. Spider was working hard, okay, with great care, and she was trying to spin her thin thread from one end to the cave to the other. Can you see? Spider is spinning web from one end to the next end. Okay, see here. He was trying very hard with care. Okay, now he kept falling down because of the thin thread. He is falling down again and again and again. Okay, now she is falling down again and again. The thread was thin and short because the thread was very thin and short. Okay, but she kept trying, but she is not giving up. She is kept trying it. Now King Bruce counted the number of 6 times, number of times she tried and failed. He said, okay, now that is enough. Okay, you will try it again you will fail. Then 6 times, he said, you tried 6 times to spin the web. Now how sad, he said, you can never do it. You can never do it because you have tried 6 times and 6 times you have lost. Now you are not going to do it. You poor thing, said King Bruce aloud. Now the spider did not give up, but spider is not going to give up. Okay, he is trying again and again and again. She succeeded the 7th time. Because of his hard work, she succeeded the 7th time. Okay, this time she was able to spin her thread to other side of the cave. Now can you see this image? The spider is trying to spin her webs and Robert Bruce is watching her. Now she succeeded 7th time. Okay, this time she was able to spin her thread to the other side of the cave. Now Robert Bruce was surprised. He was surprised at how he did that. Okay, okay, wow. He said, wow. He cried that if a little spider like you can do it, if you are a spider, if you can do it, then I can. If you can do it, I too can. Then I will also do. Okay, I will fight again with King of England. I will fight the war a 7th time. So he was also ready to fight 7th time. I will win, cried King Bruce. King Bruce says, if I will fight 7th time, then definitely I will win the war. Then the King Bruce came out with his hiding place. He just came out from the cave and he gathered all his soldiers and marched to battlefield. Okay, battlefield where soldier can fight his battle. Okay, so he fought the King of England one more time. So he tried it again. This time he won the war. At last he won the war. So King Bruce learned a lesson from the little spider. What lesson he learned? Try, try, try again. You will win. So we will win. If you will try again and again and again, so we will win. It's okay to be scared, but you have to get out there. Okay, open up, make mistakes, learn, be stronger and short all over again. Okay, it will help you in your life also. So never give up in your life. It is a moral of the story. Never give up. So that is all for today's class. Everyone, thank you so much for joining us. Bye.